Hello everyone, I am Gabriela Velázquez, a student at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana Cali. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what I would do or shop if the end of the world were coming. For the starters, I think the end of the world is a superstition and it will never happen. But if the end of the world were to happen, I will spend the last minutes of my life with my family. I will tell them that I love them, and I will apologize for all the bad things I could have done. Also, if I had the money, I would buy a house that was very safe, that had a bunker or a basement where I could take refuge with my family, because my house doesn't have either of those two things. Sorry for me. Well, if I was sure that the end of the world is going to happen in mm, a short time, I would buy a survival kit with things like um, lots of gallons of water, non-perishable food, a first aid box, medicine, of course, batteries, flashlights, matches, a radio, a satellite phone, and also tents and sleeping bags. People, that part is very important in this situation, okay? And well, finally, if the end of the world were coming, I will keep enough cash with somewhere secret in my home to use in an emergency. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye!